To generate a logo for your business, you no longer need to hire a designer for it. With the help of AI, you can create yours in a very simple way. And in this video, I'm going to show you the best AI tools to help you to make logos very easily. I will also explain how these tools make logo creation very simple, what cool features they have, and how you can use each one to create your own logo. So let's get started. And now we can start with our option number 1. Kio AI. To start with the creation of our logo on Kio, you have to open your account. And if you don't have one, you can click in the link in my description and create one completely for free. Once you are in the homepage of Kio, you can come to the section of New Project. Once on this section, we're just going to click in the section of Marketing. And over here, you can click the option of Logo. And we can click in Create. Otherwise, if you want to make a customized sizing, you can go and change the measurements over here. But I'm just going to click in Create. Once we have the measurements of our design, I'm going to go to the section of Kio AI. And over here, I'm just going to click in the section of Design Generator. Over here, I'm just going to keep it in the option of Logo. We have to go and add what is our business. So I would recommend you to get very detailed over here. So as you can see, I just add pizza restaurant. Over here, we have the option to select our colors. And as you can see, we can select up to 2 colors. So I can go and select blue and purple. And over here, you can go and also describe color palette of your business. So I'm just going to keep these 2. And we can also go and select the style. So I want to create my logo very modern. And once you have complete all of the details for your logo, we can click in Generate Design. And as you can see, Kio AI uses pre-designing templates that you can customize in seconds. No design experience is needed. Just pick a template and edit the text and adjust the colors. So as you can see, I really like this one over here and I just double click on it. And I can go and keep customizing my own logo. So if I want this to be, let's say on white, I just click over the element and I change the color of this one. So I wanted to make it white. So I will keep it like this. And I can make exactly the same for the fonts. I can even go and change the fonts if I want to. First, I'm just going to change the color, so maybe to something more like light purple. And for this one, I can go and make it a very dark blue. And I can also go and change the font by selecting the text and choose one from the variety of fonts that Kio offer. So I can go, just keep scrolling. And I really like this one, so I can go and add it. And just keep trying till you find the ones that you like the most. I really like this one, so I'm just going to keep this one. And a really interesting tool that Kio AI offers is the Kio Copilot. And for this, you're just going to click on Kio Copilot over here. And we can go and change all the things that we want with this assistant. I want to change 2 and I can go and change the entire image. So I'm just going to go and choose another word. Let's say I want to change it to a coffee. I'm going to select it and I'm just going to go and search. And over here is going to give me the options that I can use. And even if you need a unique graphic, you can go and generate it again with AI. I'm going to choose this one over here and I'm going to click in Replace. And over there, it already replaced my logo. And I can keep making changes. If I want to make it bigger, I can go and expand the image and I can make some transformations into my text. I can add some borders if I would like to. And you can keep customizing everything on your logo in a very simple and user-friendly way. For the pricing, you can create your account completely for free, but it will only allow you to create 20 AI creations, including the logo design. But if you need more than this, you can go for a paid plan. For the Pro plan, you will have to pay $15, but you will get 200 AI credits per month. And for the Expert plan, you will have to pay $30 per month, but you will get 600 AI credits per month. And if you decide to pay yearly, you will only have to pay $10 for the Pro plan and $24 for the Expert. And I have great news. You can use my special code for a 25% discount on your first month or even on your first year. Now we can move into our second option, LogoAI. And if you don't have an account yet, you can go and click in the link on my description and create one. And once you have clicked in that link, it's gonna send you to this page. And over here, we're just gonna click in, let's make a logo. Now, the first thing we have to do is come over here and add the logo name. And if you want to make some changes, don't worry because you can still make changes later on. And I'm just gonna add the name of my business. And you can even go and add a slogan if you want to. But I'm just gonna click in continue. Over here, it asks you to select an industry for your logo. So I'm just gonna select the restaurant one. Now over here you can see that asks us to select colors for our logo. And if you stand over the colors, you can see that it says cold and it also highlights the meaning of these colors. So we have depth, trust, loyalty, confidence, intelligence, and calmness. If you want to make some contrast, we communicate power, energy, passion, desire, speed, strength, love, and intensity. So you can go ahead and choose from these options. So I'm just gonna go and choose the warm option and I'm gonna click in continue. Now over here we have to go and select the font for our logo. And if you stand in one of the options, you can see some examples of brands that have these similar fonts. So we have for the modern, we have Chanel, Google, we have BBC. For the elegant, we have Zara, Prada, Dove, and you can keep looking more fonts. So I'm just gonna go and select the modern one and I'm gonna click in generate. And now, as you can see, it's generating a lot of options for my logo. I really find that they are very visually appealing. And if you want to see more logos, you can even click in see more logos. And it's gonna generate even more options. And I really like this option, so I can go and click in edit. So as you can see, now it's saying that we can click the logo elements to move and edit. So I'm just gonna go and click next. And now it's saying that we can click to auto suggest symbols, fonts, and colors. And I'm gonna click in OK. And first of all, change the color of our font. So I can go and change it. Let's say that I want it in purple or blue or even in nice orange. I can go and select it. Something that I really like is we can even go and make some gradients on here. So I really like this, or we can even go and test out some other options. And we have a lot of different options over here. Another thing, we can also go and change the background color over here. So you can click over here and then select a different background color. So I can select black or gray. I think this orange stands out very nicely in the black. So I'm just gonna go and leave it on black. If we click in the section of style, we can go and see different style suggestions that we get for our logo. So I can go and select the one that I like the most. So we have this one, this one. If I want to change the size of my circle, I can also do that. So I'm just gonna go and keep this one. I'm gonna click in select. And as you can see, now it makes the change. We can also go and change the layout of this. So if we click in layouts, we can see that we have the same style, but in a different layout. So if I want it to be more visually appealing, I think this is a better option. So we already have a different layout, but with the same style. And in case that you don't really like this font, you can also click in the fonts and change them. But I really like my font, so I'm just gonna keep it, and you can change the colors again as well. Now for the pricing, you can get your logo on the basic plan for $29 and it will include design edits, logo resolutions of 800 pixels times 600 pixels. You can get a PNG, but you won't get the vector files, the brand identity, and the Word and PowerPoint, and you will also not get the logo animation. Otherwise, you can get the Pro plan, that it's gonna be $59, but you will get the vector files and the brand identity, as well as the Word and the PowerPoint. And if you're very serious about your business, you can get the brand plan, which is $99, and you will get all of these options. But if you're just starting, what you can also do is share your logo, and once it collects 20 likes, you can download it for free. And for our third option, I'm going to be using DesignsAI. And you can also find the link to this website in my description. So once you have created your account, it's gonna look exactly like this. Over here, I'm just gonna go to the section of Logo Maker. Once we are in this section, we can create our unique logo. Over here, we just gotta go and enter our company name. So I'm just gonna use exactly the same one. And I'm gonna click in Get Started. On here, we have to select our industry. So I'm just gonna go and search for mine. To do this, you just have to go and scroll down. So as you can see, we have food and restaurants and we have different options. We have all, we have barbecue, Chinese, Italian, Japanese. Because it's a pizza place, I'm just gonna keep it on Italian. And over here, we also have to select the category that we want our logo on. So we have icon, we have name, and we have initials. So for me, I'm gonna make icon. And we can click in next. For this section, you have to decide if you want to add your slogan. But this is only optional, you can skip it. So I'm just gonna click in next. Now we can go and choose 5 of these different designs. And what design is gonna do is just combine all of our preferences. So I really like this one. We have 1. I also like this one 2. This one 3 and 4. And the last one, I would say this one. So we already have our 5 and I can click in next. Now we have to pick the color that we like the most for our logo. So we can select between all of these options. If you stand over it, it's gonna show you the colors that are on each category. I think I will do violet. I really like the purple one, so I really like this one. And I'm gonna click in next. Over here, we can go and add an icon for our logo. So as you can see now, it's giving me the recommendations. But you can also go and search for your own icons. And as you can see over here, it let us choose up to 5 icons. So I can go and just choose between all of these options, but I'm just gonna choose between the recommendations so it's easy for me. I really like this one. I think this one looks very cute. This one I really like. And we can keep scrolling. You can even click in show more so we get more options. I really like this one as well. Oh, this one is very cute. And there we go. We already have our 5 options. And I'm gonna click in next. As you can see over here, it already generates some options that I can start to customize. So I can go and select mine. I think I really like this one. But you can even go and select more and you can save them for later if you want to use them as well. So I'm just gonna go and select this one as well because I really like it. And I think this one I like it more. And we can click in next. You can create your account completely for free and start to try out your logo creation. But to download all of your creations, you can sign up for a paid plan. For the basic one, it's gonna be $29 per month. And you can even start a free trial of 7 days. For the Pro, you will have to pay $69 every month, but you will get professional advanced editing and exclusive templates for your logo. And if you want to take to the next level your logo creation, you can go and get the Enterprise plan for $199 a month. And moving into our 4th option is Luca. Over here you can go and design your own brand. So first of all, we have to go and enter the name of our company. So I'm just going to be using exactly the same. And we can click in Get Started. Over here, we have to go and select our industry. So I'm just gonna go and search for mine. So over here, I start to type restaurant to see if I could get any industry, and I get fast food restaurant and restaurant. So I'm just gonna go and select this one and we can click in continue. Over here, we have to pick the logos that we like the most. So Luca will take these designs as examples for our own logo. So I'm just gonna go and select this one and just keep scrolling and see the ones that I like the most. I also like this one and this one. And I'm gonna click in continue. Now I'm gonna select the colors for my logo. So I'm just gonna choose an orange. As you can see, it gives us the same information with the colors. We have orange for joy, enthusiasm, happiness, creativity, determination, and stimulation. And we can see every description for each color. So for purple, we have royalty, power, nobility, luxury, wealth, extravagance, and wisdom. So I think I really like orange, so I'm just gonna go and continue. Over here, it asks me to add a slogan, but this is optional. You don't have to add it. So I'm just gonna click in continue. For this section, we can go and pick some symbol types. So I'm just gonna go and select pizza. I'm also gonna select eat, creativity, restaurant, and meal. I think these ones describe my business. So I'm just gonna go and click in continue. And on here, now it generates some options that I can customize later on. So I'm just gonna go and select the one that I like the most. So I think I really like this one, and I can click in customize. And as you can see now, it showed me how my logo it's gonna look if I add it into my menu, into my social media. Over here we can get logo files, the social profiles, the social covers, the business cards, the email signatures, the letterheads, brand guidelines, and the website. Over here you can go and get the specific colors of your color palette. So this is very useful for other designs of my brand. As you can see, we can get a sneak peek of how my business cards are gonna look, and we can even get some marketing essentials. So invoices, posters, flyers, presentations, even cards, proposals, newsletters, and brochures. And if you want to take your brand to the next level, we can even see it on some mock-up t-shirts and how it's gonna look in our restaurant. So this is very amazing. I really like it. And to get our brand kit, we just gotta go and select in Get Brand Kit and download. And over here we have the prices. For the basic logo package, you have to pay $20 and it's only one-time purchase. Then we have the premium logo package. This is $65, but you will get multiple high file types, you will get unlimited changes, and a lifetime technical support. And of course, you will get the full ownership of your logo. Otherwise, you can get the brand kit subscription. This will cost you $96, and as you can see, right now they have 50% discount because before it was $192. And you will get all of these assets for your logo. So if you're serious about your logo, you can get this brand kit subscription. And we also have the brand kit web subscription. It's gonna include you everything that is in the brand kit subscription, but it will also include you the website. And our last logo AI, it's Logo Pony. Over here, as you can see, it already sent me directly to choose some logos for my own logo. So I'm just gonna go and select the one that I like the most. So I like this one, this one, and I think this one. And I can click in continue. Over here, we can go and search for my icon, but also you can go and select from these options over here. So you can go and search for your category, but I'm just gonna go and select ones from here that I already like. I like this one, also this one, and this one. And I can click in continue. Now we can go and select our colors. So as you can see, we have the gradients, but we also have the color palettes over here. So I'm just gonna go and select the orange one and I can click in continue. Now we have our company name. So I'm just gonna use exactly the same. And you can add your slogan, but as well, this is completely optional. And I can click in create my logo. And as you can see, I really like this one, so I can go and open it. And over here, Pony AI, it's also gonna show me how my logo it's gonna look in my business cards, in my business, and even some mock-ups in other products. We have t-shirts over here. We even have a mock-up of our own app and for packaging as well. So I can click in save and continue. Over here, we have our pricing. So we have the basic plan for $20. And it's one-time payment for a lifetime access. Then we have the premium plan that is $60. And over here you will get all of these assets. And now we also have the business plan for $90. And you will get everything of the premium package, and you can even create and download 10 logos. And there you have it. Kio AI, LogoAI, DesignsAI, Luca, and Logo Pony. Each one offers something unique depending on your needs and budget. Which one would you try first? Let me know in the comments. Now you can choose one of these amazing tools to create your logo, or even to create a whole brand kit. If you want to learn how to turn your logos into vector files, you can check out my other video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in another video. Have a great day.